Hi creators, now before you purchase that gimbal, let me show you inside this FeiyuTech gimbal box and let's see why each part matters. Welcome everybody to another series of the FeiyuTech AK2000 Gimbal review. Now we're going to be looking at all the components of the box and the importance of each part and what they are used for. First, you get the gimbal body. Now this is the brain of the setup. It stabilizes your camera in real time using its 3-axis motor system and inbuilt control screen. Next, the camera mounting plates. Now this is where your camera is attached to, making it easy to balance before shooting. You also get the tripod or stand attachment, which is screwed to the bottom of the gimbal. Now this aids stability during setup and can also help as an extra grip for the gimbal when shooting. Now these are the batteries and the battery tray. Now this powers the gimbal, giving you long hours of stable shooting. And finally, the support accessories and locking brackets, which help with balancing of the gimbal, securing different camera sizes and protecting the motors during transport. Everything in this box comes together to give you stable cinematic shots without any break. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Now that's every piece explained. It all connects back to why all these parts matter when buying a gimbal. Let me know what you think.